So we are going to go on the record in the matter of Eric Orozco, 221035.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client. This time we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom.
Thank you. And Mr. Orozco, your name, please.
Eric Orozco.
Okay. And today is the date scheduled for a jail review. Mr. Orozco pled guilty to a probation violation on September 25th. He's currently on probation for operating while intoxicated. And the court had revoked probation on September 25th, ordered 30 days jail, defendant to serve 10 days jail, report on September 29th, and suspend the 20 days with the jail review. Today is a jail review, and it appears as though while Mr. Orozco has been his probation was revoked, but he had his sentence suspended, 20 of the 30 days suspended. Mr. Orozco was arrested for operating while intoxicated again, thank you, for a third offense, and driving while license suspended second offense on October 14th. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw that. I saw there was a recommendation for the balance to be 20 days served. Judge, he indicates he can make a $200 payment today and have the balance completed with the court in 2 weeks. He's apologetic. Obviously, we don't encourage relapse as part of recovery, but he still is into the sobriety house in Detroit, and he's starting to work next week at Michigan Tiles. So at this point, he's asking for any leniency the court can consider. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Orozco, you're in a sobriety house, right? You're in a sober living house right now?
Yeah, I am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, can you please adjust your camera so I'm not looking just at your eyes and your forehead? All right. And so, how long have you been residing at that home, sir?
A year?
A year. And
Sorry, I'm sorry. My bad.
Sorry, what's that?
My apologies, I'm good.
Your apologies for what, sir?
I just break it up because I'm so fucking tired of this shit.
Okay, well, sir, I'm glad you're feeling comfortable to express your feelings and opinions, but please be aware that you're still in court. So cursing is not.
My apologies. My apologies. I'm sorry.
And so what is it that you're tired of, sir?
I just relapsed, Your Honor. I hate to say it, but you know, I relapsed and it just got the best of me, and I messed up again. But I'm sorry. My apologies. You can But yeah, I've been in a sobriety house for a year now. I've been doing therapy there, relapse prevention, and I've also been doing counseling, etc. I've gone to ARM meetings. You know, I've done fan groups. I've done plenty of stuff for me to just not go through this again. And I relapsed. You know, I don't want to make it sound easy for me to relapse, but it happened again.
All right, sir. So what I heard you indicate is that you are utilizing relapse prevention programs, utilizing various support groups and meetings, but you're still relapsing, so,
No, it was I literally got out, I drank, earlier in the day I tried taking some sleeping pills, it didn't work. I ended up uh you know, I ended up operating while intoxicated and but um I'm losing my train of thought, Your Honor, but I don't know what else to say, but I have a year's worth of, like I said, proudly a year's worth of sobriety. I was sober until that point. You know, I did test negative for positive for THC, but I tried using those to go to sleep. I thought they were CBD gummies. But I do take sobriety seriously. I have mental health issues. I lost a few family members because of drunk driving, and it's something that I take very serious. I recently one of my uncles just passed away because of drunk driving. I have various examples of why not to do it, Your Honor, and I I sincerely apologize for that. I I don't know what got into me this third time. Uh, but you know, I apologize, Your Honor. Like I said, I've lost a few family members over this drunk driving stuff, or just drinking in general, or because of substance abuse, and like I said, I got a year's worth of I got a list, the sobriety house, my therapist. Like I said, I've been going to relapse prevention meetings twice a week. I haven't gone since I got out, but you know, I messed up, Your Honor. I probably should have gone straight there once I got out.
right where?
To the sobriety house to see my therapist, or keep continuing going to AA meetings or the relapse prevention meetings.
Wait, I'm a little confused, sir. Where are you currently living?
I'm currently living with my parents still. I pay rent here, you know, I have my own room. But they're also tired of of that also, and I hate to put them through this, to just have them have that burden on them because of me. It just waste their time.
I thought you just indicated, sir, at the beginning of this case that you were residing in sobriety in a sober living house.
I tender. I'm an outpatient. I tender. I go there at least 3 times a week. I haven't gone there since I got out for serving this 10 days, but I tender at least 3 times a week. Like I go there, like I go at least 3 times a week.
All right, sir. When I sentenced you on August 4th of 2022, it was a 24 months probation. In a probation violation, September 14th of 2022, you entered a plea of not guilty, and we held a hearing on September 27th. You were found guilty, 5 days jail, 30 days on the alcohol tender upon release from jail. Then September 25th of 2023, you pled guilty on the probation violation. This court revoked your probation, sentenced you to 30 days jail, suspend 20, with jail review today. And in the interim, you were arrested for your third drunk driving offense. Third. If you were to test right now, sir, I want all honesty. What is in your system?
Nothing. Not even THC is in my system right now, Your Honor. I can go test today. I can go test today on site if you'd like. I I I guarantee you You know, I can go to the sobriety house today and check back in there, and you know, they every time I go over there, the first thing you do is take a drug test, is take a urine test.
Okay, well, sir, you're not going to go there today, you're going to be going to jail today. The court's going to order 20 days for you to serve the balance under 20 days jail. Because not only were you arrested for drunk driving, sir, which is your third offense for a felony, which the court will also note, you had 2 convictions in 2022, just a few months apart. And then now your third one in 2023, October of 2023. In addition, you don't have a valid license, so you shouldn't be driving anyway.
You know, I'm broke right now, Your Honor. Can we like lessen that so I can, you know, get back to work and, you know, save up money at least to pay you guys?
Sir, let me be very clear. Your probation was revoked, and for the balance for that, the court ordered 30 days jail. You served 10, we suspended 20. You have now, and then we set it for a probation jail review. In the interim, you continue to drink in violation of this court's order, and you were arrested for a 3rd drunk driving offense. 3rd in about 17 months. And driving while license suspended, 2nd offense. You don't have a valid license to drive. You may not be working, sir, so this would be the perfect time for you to serve your time in jail, because you won't have to worry about communicating with your boss. You are to report today.
Can I report in a few days? At least giving me some time to talk to them.
No, sir. You have time between now and 6 o'clock to talk to them.
I actually don't. I would really like a few days at least, just you know, just to get that settled. Like I said, I'm flat broke. I don't know where I'm gonna be when I get out of there. Like a place to stay wise, and
Sir, I can tell you what you will be is you will be sober when you come out of jail. So I am not giving you extra time to report. You are reporting today. This is our
justice system.
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Rudolph, please stop. Okay.
Oh,
you are reporting today.
It came.
You are reporting today, sir. You're reporting today. Mr. Rudolph, do not unmute again, and do not interrupt my record, please. You will be held in contempt if you do. Please do not. Mr. Orozco.
Am I being charged a felony drink driving or OWI?
It's the same thing, sir. OWI 3rd is what it appears you were arrested for.
I can't even get a few months to try to maybe get a lawyer or something.
Sir, you have a lawyer. Mr. Shunke is here and he was representing you. You've spoken to him before we called this case.
Your Honor, I literally have a life. You know, I had plans after I got out, but I was literally about to start getting back to work, but I'm broke. I still owe you guys a balance that I still don't have.
Sir, let me be very clear. You have violated this court's order. I gave you an opportunity to stay out of jail when I suspended your jail. Okay. You then were arrested for another charge, similar to the same charge, now a 3rd offense, so now it's a felony. So, you're going to serve the balance of your 20 days jail, or the balance of your 30 days, which is 20 days, and you are to report today. Email them to Ms. Shaw by 11 o'clock, and she will give you your instructions on how to report. Anything else, Mr. Shunke?
I'm sorry.
Mr. Shunke? Anything else regarding Mr. Orozco?
I'm sorry, that broke up. I apologize, Judge.
Anything else for Mr. Orozco?
Oh, no, Judge, nothing further.
Okay, Mr. Orozco, Email into Ms. Shaw by 11 o'clock and she will give you instructions as to how to report.
Also, I have a question, Your Honor. If
What is
if
that?
my case was alcohol related, why am I getting why did I go through all this trouble over a THC positive test over THC, especially when I have an expired THC medical marijuana license, Your Honor?
Sir, one of your conditions of probation was not to use any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. You have an issue with alcohol consumption and alcohol use. Sometimes when individuals have issues regarding one substance and they use a different substance, you're only transferring your issues and you're not addressing your issues. So that is why.
There were
Please email into Ms. Shaw by, sir, please email into Ms. Shaw by 11 a.m. All right, thank you. And so okay, Mr. Westmoreland, there's somebody else that just jumped in. I'm not sure
Okay.
who this is.
Mr. Orozco.
Mr. Orozco.
Hey, Your Honor, my apologies for interrupting, but I was wondering if I paid off my balance today, if that would if I could avoid the 20 days.
Sir, your attorney isn't here. I already ordered what I ordered. I'm not readdressing it. That is the order of the court.
But doesn't that make sense to if I paid off my close this case?
Sir, what makes sense is if you have to hold yourself accountable and serve the consequence for the violation. That's what makes sense. So I am not adjusting the court order. You need to report today as instructed.
Well, that's why I served 10 days. That's why I served 10 days, and then I was going to pay off my balance.
Please stop. Sir, just one moment. Did you email into Ms. Shaw?
I did, but that's what I'm saying. I'll pay off my balance today. I already served 10 days because of the violation, and we got that settled. So
you were sentenced to 30. You were sentenced to 30 days, serve 10, suspend 20. And in the interim, you picked up another drunk driving offense. The court has ordered what it's ordered.
Can we replay this again? Because I mean,
Sir, we're
I'll
not
pay off my
replaying
balance.
Sir,
I'll pay off my balance. I don't know what to tell
20
you.
days jail. Mr. Westmoreland?
Yes, Judge.
Since you are here, I'm just going to call this on the record. I know that you were not the attorney that represented Mr. Orozco. We're back on the record in the matter of Eric Orozco 221035. And Mr. Westmoreland is present. Mr. Westmoreland is not the attorney that represented Mr. Orozco during this jail review. Mr. Orozco zoomed back in and wanted to ask if he could just pay his fines and costs and not serve the 20 days jail that this court ordered. This court then ordered that Mr. Orozco did need to serve the 20 days jail, and Mr. Orozco was to continue to address the court. So I had Mr. Westmoreland jump on, so to speak, to advise Mr. Orozco as to his rights, and perhaps that he needs to perhaps heed what the court's order was. But what else is it, Mr. Orozco?
Oh, well, I served 10 days in order and because of the violation, and I got 20 suspended because of my good behavior and because of the fact that I had gone to the sobriety house for a year. So that's why I was saying, like, I already served 10 days for that. You suspended it for it. My balance was the only problem. I could get that paid today, right now, matter of fact. Like I get it.
So let
but
me
isn't
clarify.
that
Let me
third
clarify.
charge a whole
Sir,
different case?
Mr. Roscoe, let me clarify. You were sentenced to 30 days jail. That was your sentence. I suspended 20. You served 10, I suspended 20. 20 wasn't suspended for good behavior. 20 was suspended to make sure, sir, that you were complying with what you were supposed to have been doing. You did not do that. You picked up a third drunk driving offense, and I'm not sure who you're making faces at, sir.
I'm sorry. It's just I'm twitching. I guess. So I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not.
And so that is why you are now serving the balance of your 20 days. You didn't have 20 days suspended for good behavior.
Okay. So does the good behavior figure, does that count towards anything?
That would be the Wayne County Jail, sir, not this court.
Wow. All right.
So, Ms. Shaw gave you the instructions as to how to report today, correct?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
That would be yes.
Yes. She will. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then make sure you're complying with all that.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll be off the record. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.